Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three major US indexes. Today's Tuesday, the second trading session of the week, and we've seen S&P500 trade in positive territory throughout most of the trading session today. Currently finds itself trading at 5,224. Session high was up around 5,240, so we've given back roughly 16 points, but this is quite positive. We're still trading within this uptrend, and there's no evidence that any severe sell-off is just around the corner. Whilst we continue to trade within this uptrend, the trend is your friend until it's the end. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, unlike the S&P 500, we are actually in fact trading in negative territory. We're seeing some selling off in names like Nvidia down 2.5%, Microsoft today down 0.4%. So of course that's going to be weighing quite heavily on the Nasdaq 100 as these stocks have a very large weightage within this index. But very similar to the S&P 500, we continue to trade within an uptrend, and as I just mentioned, the trend is your friend until it's the end. So with this being the case, there's no there's no reason to panic thinking that there's a big sell-off just around the corner just yet, because we do continue to trade within this uptrend. And then finally, moving over to the DowJones30, unlike the other two indexes, Dow Jones is having a much better day, up 0.5 percentage point. It currently finds itself trading at 39,570, so we're about 430 points just shy of 40,000. 40,000 will be a huge milestone. It'll be the first time, in fact, we've ever hit 40,000. So I think many investors have their eyes peeled on that big milestone. Again, I've been mentioning it the last couple of days or even weeks, and that is the US dollar. The US dollar, to me, holds the key for the markets to move higher. If we see this massive decline in the US dollar, which I am expecting, that's going to act as a massive tailwind for US equity prices, as well as as well as global commodities. Also, just quickly looking at the 10-year bond yield starting to fall here. This is what I kind of wanted to see. 4.3 is acting as a nice resistant area. We're falling down to 4.192. I do expect us to bounce eventually, before then falling significantly lower, where we go down towards, let's say, 3.5% by the end of August. I am bullish here due to the fact, the dollar, in my opinion, is about to fall, as well as the 10-year, and I think that will continue to act as a tailwind for the US index prices. Guys, anyone who wants to join my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29 where you can join just by subscribing here. Thank you.